The Convert, 100 Years Hence, by Aleister Crowley. There met one Eve in a sylvan glade, a horrible man and a beautiful maid. Where are you going, so meek and holy? I'm going to temple to worship Crowley. Crowley is God, then. How did you know? Why, it's Captain Fuller that told us so. And how do you know that Fuller was right? I'm afraid you're a wicked man. Good night. All this sort of thing is styled success. I shall not count failure, bitterness. Now, the title of this, 100 Years Hence, reminds me of that one song on the Physical Graffiti album by Led Zeppelin. Haven't heard it clear through in years. You know how modern society goes. It used to be, you had the albums, but now you don't have the albums. Well, I mean, I think I still have the album, but you know what I mean. You listen to random songs online, and most of it's what the algorithms are recommending to you, are what old footage or something they're releasing on their channel, even if you have the album. And so some of this stuff happens, that you have a leader, a spiritual leader, and then people get all fanatical about it. So some people actually tried worshiping Crowley. I don't think Thelema is like that in the way that Christianity has turned into a cult about worshiping Jesus rather than following Jesus. But a lot of things are more about imitating Crowley than, oh, he had these ideas that you could work your way through things. Now, I know you get in a lot more trouble nowadays when it comes to a lot of the behavior that he did. And some things you might actually get in less trouble than you used to. But then again, what does God even mean, right? What do people mean when they say God? And so from multiple angles, you have what people are going to consider success. Some people are going to call it holy. Some people are going to call it wicked. Some people call it bitter, and some people are going to call it, nicety of some sort.